Hello students, the sixth experiment of SSOS lab, the sixth A, write a Lex program, eliminate the command lines in the C program and copy the resulting from program into a separate files. Means first you can create the two files. In first file you can write the simple program with with comments. Then in the second file, so automatically in the first line it is read mode and second file it is write mode. So automatically that comment lines will be removed with help of the regular expression. So the first, it contains the three section: definition section, rule section and the subroutine section. And first in the definition section we are using the Lex program to remove the comment from and save it to a file in the definition section. So in this section, so I'm using the normal header file std.standard input output.h, and next I'm initializing the comment line as a default value is 0. And in the rules rule section, in the rule section, so the starting character of the sequence from the multiple comments. So the starting characters, the sequence from the multiple comments. Now how to start the with help of the slash, front slash, backslash and front slash star. This is for the starting character sequence of the multiple comments. And how to end with the multiple comment line, the sequence, so with help of the backslash, star, front slash and backslash. So automatically the end with the sequence of the multiple lines. So here in this rule section he is using the regular expression for the single line comment as well as the multi-line comments. So single line comments on the how to use a regular expression: front slash, backslash, slash and backslash, dot, star and semicolon. So automatically the single line comment will be removed. Suppose if you want to remove the multiple line, so just you can use start with the dot, star. So automatically it will be removed the multiple lines. So in this program, so we are using the both single line and multiple line comments, automatically it will be removed. So with help of the slash, star, dot, star slash, nothing but it will be remove the both multiple line as well as a single line comment. Then automatically the comment line will be incremented. After the incremented, the automatically that will be that file will be prints with help of the YY out. Nothing but it will display the some results. And in the main section, so here I am using the YY in and YY out. Okay, YY in and YY out. YY in means this is nothing but the input. So here first in YY in you can open your file. So create a file1.c in read mode. In file1.c write any code. So for example, just you can take the int main or void main. So int a b c, you can write any comment, and ac equal to a plus b, and print and write any comment line, that close the brackets. Then once again you can create the YY out. This is for the displaying your output purpose. So open the file. After open the file, once again you can create the one more file, file2.c, with help of the write mode. First I am using the read mode and second one is the write mode. Write mode, just you can create the file and leave it blank. Okay, automatically with help of the then after writing you can call the yylex function. So yylex nothing but the function will be start the analysis. After analysis, automatically it will prints so the number of the comment lines are how many comment lines will be there in that program. So automatically that comment line will be removed. First open the gedit 6a.l. So write a code, then save it and close that file. Then later you can use create one more file, gedit file1.c. file1.c and write a code. So I am writing the simple code here. You can write anything. Then close that. One more, create gedit file 2.c. Then enter, keep it blank, then save it and close. Then start execution. If you want display, just can display the file one. So cat file1.c. So whatever saved in the file1.c automatically it will display with the cat command. So start with the execution lex file name dot l. Then next cc lex dot yy dot c hyphen ll. Then there is a warning is there is a no errors, and use slash dot a dot out. Then so here it will be displayed. There is a how many, there are the two comment lines will be there. So it will be displaying the, sorry, one comment line will be there. So it will be displaying the number of comment line. Thus you can check that program with about the cat output dot text or c output dot c or file2 dot c. Then after enter, so here after the printf one comment and is there in the previous in the file1.c, here that comment line is automatically removed.